Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers. So on this video, I'm going to show you this RTX 2080 from MSI. This is the Ventus OC model. Now I will tell you right now, the one downside is that it does not have any RGB or LED at all. It is strictly just a graphics card with, the normal performance of a 2080. It does have a backplate, which is nice, so you do want to be careful not to smudge it with your fingerprints and everything, but this one here is a brand new RTX 2080 Ventus OC from MSI, and so do keep in mind that the backplate, it takes fingerprints really easily, so you want to be careful or wipe it down when you're installing. On top of that, there is no RGB or LED. It is just a graphics card. It is a nice looking professional style, but it will not add bling and flare to your machine as far as RGB or LED, so keep that in mind when purchasing. As far as the I/O, it has 3 display or DP ports. It has 1 HDMI port and 1 USB Type-C port, and that is for the ability to go in and do VR. So overall, the performance on this card should be relatively good and higher end than, say, a 2070, but it is more of a standard 2080, so it's not going to give you as high of performance as some of the other brands or other models that even MSI does. However, it will still beat out cards like the 2070 or the 1080, things like that. And overall, if you're looking for a professional sleek look, definitely a good card. Now do keep in mind also that you'll need a minimum of a 500 watt power supply, and it does take an 8-pin and a 6-pin power adapter. So you'll need at least 2 power adapters on your power supply. Aside from that, I think it's just a really nice, sleek, professional looking card. And if you're familiar with 2080 performance, then you're familiar with this, and this isn't a video about performance. This is just a quick showing of the card itself. So, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed it. If you found it educational or entertaining, please make sure to hit the like button down below. If you want to keep up to date on our videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll try to link it right here. And then, as always, if you have any questions or comments about either the product or for myself or the channel, please make sure you leave those in the comments down below. We'd love to get those comments and feedbacks. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.